For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a pressure washing business can be a profitable and rewarding venture. With the right knowledge, planning, and marketing, you can build a successful service that meets the growing demand for exterior cleaning of homes, commercial buildings, driveways, decks, and more. Today, free AI tools can greatly simplify many aspects of starting and running this business, from creating your business plan to marketing strategies and customer communication. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to start a pressure washing business using free AI tools, maximizing efficiency while minimizing upfront costs. Step 1. Conduct market research. Understanding your local market is essential before launching your pressure washing business. You need to identify your potential customers, competitors, and pricing landscape. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT to analyze your target market and competition. A useful prompt to ask ChatGPT could be, please provide an overview of the pressure washing market in your city or region, including common customer types, main competitors, and average pricing for services. This will help you get a sense of demand, who your customers are, homeowners, businesses, property managers, and how to competitively price your services. Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, service offerings, startup costs, and financial projections. This is critical for guiding your business and attracting any potential investors or lenders. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by providing a prompt like, help me create a business plan for a pressure washing business targeting residential and commercial clients in your location. Include sections on market analysis, services offered, marketing strategy, startup costs, and revenue projections. ChatGPT can generate a detailed plan you can customize and refine. You may also use free AI writing tools like Grammarly to ensure clarity and professionalism in your business documents. Step 3. Choose your equipment and supplies. To start pressure washing, you'll need reliable equipment. Research the best types of pressure washers, electric versus gas-powered, nozzles, detergents, hoses, safety gear, and transportation options. Ask ChatGPT, what are the essential equipment and supplies needed for starting a residential and commercial pressure washing business? Include pros and cons of different types of pressure washers. You can also use YouTube AI-generated content suggestions to find videos reviewing and comparing equipment, helping you make informed purchases within your budget. Step 4. Set up legal and administrative requirements. Register your business legally according to your state or local requirements. This may include selecting a business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., obtaining licenses, permits, and insurance. Use AI chat assistants to get an overview of legal requirements by typing, what licenses, permits, and insurance do I need to legally operate a pressure washing business in your state or city? Additionally, use AI tools like LegalZoom's free resources or state government websites for detailed steps and forms. You can also get ChatGPT to draft simple contracts and service agreements with prompts like, write a basic pressure washing service agreement for residential clients, including scope of work, pricing, and liability disclaimers. Step 5. Build your brand and marketing strategy. Creating a brand identity and marketing plan is key to attracting clients. Use AI tools to develop your business name, logo, and marketing content. For naming your business, ask ChatGPT. Suggest unique and professional business names for a pressure washing company serving residential and commercial clients. For logo design, free AI tools like Canva's Logo Maker can help you create a professional logo quickly by suggesting layouts, icons, and color schemes. For marketing content, ChatGPT can assist with website copy, social media posts, and email templates. Use prompts like, write an engaging homepage description for a pressure washing business focusing on reliability, quality, and eco-friendly cleaning. Step 6. Create an online presence. Most customers look for local services online, so building a website and social media presence is essential. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI, artificial design intelligence, that ask you simple questions and build a custom site for you. You can prompt ChatGPT for website content by asking, generate website sections for a pressure washing business, including about us, services, pricing, contact, and testimonials. Additionally, use free AI tools like Buffer or Later for scheduling social media posts to keep your business active and engage potential customers consistently. Step 7. Set your pricing and service packages. Pricing can vary depending on the service type, property size, and market rates. Use AI to help you develop competitive pricing structures and service packages. Prompt ChatGPT. Create 3-tiered pricing packages for a pressure washing business: basic, standard, and premium. Include services like driveway cleaning, house siding, deck washing, and commercial building cleaning. This helps you offer clear options to customers and upsell premium services. Step 8. Plan your customer outreach and lead generation. Getting your first clients requires outreach. Use AI to draft cold emails, social media ads, and flyers. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can create scripts for phone calls and messages to follow up with leads. Try prompts such as, write a friendly cold email template to introduce my pressure washing business to property managers in my area. For paid advertising, free AI tools such as Google Ads Keyword Planner can help you identify keywords for targeting local customers effectively. Step 9. Manage scheduling and customer service. Organizing appointments and responding promptly to customers is vital. Use free AI tools like Google Calendar with AI scheduling assistants, like Google's AI-powered scheduling or Microsoft Bookings, to automate appointment setting. You can use ChatGPT to generate customer service scripts for answering FAQs, handling complaints, or booking appointments efficiently. Prompt idea. Provide a customer service script for responding to common pressure washing service inquiries, including pricing, scheduling, and preparation instructions. Conclusion. Starting a pressure washing business today is more accessible than ever thanks to the power of free AI tools. By leveraging AI to conduct research, create plans, develop marketing, manage operations, and track finances, you can save time and money while launching a professional, competitive service. Follow these steps to build your foundation, grow your customer base, and turn your pressure washing business into a thriving venture. The combination of your hard work and AI-powered assistance will set you on the path to success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.